Hi, I'm Jane. This is my daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up at 7:15. I have a shower and I get dressed. I don't have breakfast before I leave home, but I have a snack at school. Do I have lunch at school? No, I don't. I go home at 1 p.m. and I have lunch with my mum. I do my homework in the afternoon. I have dinner at 7 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. This is my brother Tom. What does he do every day? It's 6:30. This is when Tom wakes up. He gets up and he has a shower. Then he gets dressed and he has breakfast. He doesn't walk to school. He catches the bus to go to school. Tom has lunch at school. He gets home at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. He has a snack and he feeds the dog before he does his homework. In the evening, he has dinner with me. He doesn't go to bed early. He goes to bed at about 11 p.m. and he sets his alarm clock for the next morning. He falls asleep immediately. Good night, Tom.